You are having misunderstandings, aren't you? And I know everyone has misunderstanding at some point of the time or not. And why is it so? Any understanding? ऐसा क्यों होता है? It is really simple, because when anyone comes up and says, you know what? And then we're like, yes, tell me. So I'm going to give you a 3-step or 3 easy ways how you can avoid any misunderstandings. Very simple. Okay. So it is very simple. How does it work? When anyone comes up to you and say, you know what, or I want to say something, any statement which means they're going to share a piece of information with you, okay, is the starting point of misunderstanding. What is it? Starting point of misunderstanding. Why? Because when they start, you know what, or this is wanted to say something to you about so and so person, XYZ person or XYZ company, stop them there and say stop and tell them, before you share anything with me, answer these 3 questions. If those questions are able to pass, or if your answer is able to pass through those 3 questions, then I'm willing, I'm ready to listen to you what you are saying or what you are ready to show to me. Okay, but listen to the first 3 questions. If you want, you can make a note of it. Very simple questions. Okay, the first one is, have you seen it or heard it by yourself? Have you? The first question. If not, please don't go ahead. Okay. Now, if he or she says, yes, I've seen it myself, I've heard it myself, great. So you're done. Okay. Now, step number 2, question number 2. Is it really the truth? What you're going to talk to me or share with me or going to show it to me, is it the truth? Have you verified it? So second question is what? Is it the truth? Have you verified it? Most of the time, more than 50 to 70% will stop over here, because they'll say, I have not verified it yet. I don't have the time to do that. So then tell them you can go back and verify. Before you go back, listen to the last question. Question number 3. Okay. What you were about to share with me, what you were about to tell me, what you were about to show me, was it really beneficial for my growth, or for my business growth, or for my career growth, or for my relationship growth? Was it really beneficial? Was it going to add any value to me? Was it going to empower me? And you know what? Most of the time the answer would be a no. So, see, the reason I'm saying this, because your mind sees things in terms of pictures. So if she starts, you know what, she's having an affair, the company is in crisis, they are going to lay off people. Okay, once they start talking about this, what do you get into your mind? All these images: affair, laying off, crisis, admitted to the hospital, accident. As I'm using these words, you're getting your own images in your mind right now. So that is one of the reasons whatever you are feeding is really important. And the cause of misunderstanding is the wrong information. And if not the wrong information, the wrong communication. If not the wrong communication, the wrong message. So if you are able to pass on this, the 3 questions which you are talking about, then there won't be any chance of misunderstandings. Because the first thing is, have they seen it or heard it? Now there is a possibility, even if they've seen it and heard it, they've only seen a part of it. Right? Second question is another crucial one, is it the truth? Have they validated it? And most of the time, no one validates it, because they don't have time. It is so interesting that they just want to go out and share it. And you know what? Bad news, negativity spreads like a wildfire. But if it's a good news, no one's interested to share. Okay, and the third part, really the crucial part is it really beneficial for you? Is it that you want it? Is it going to help you? No, then why don't you even want the news? Why don't you even want the information? If someone is having an affair, let them have an affair. What is it concerned with you? It's their personal life. No, they have a choice. But you have a choice what you're going to feed your brain. Because if you're in a relationship and someone is talking about affair, breakups and all, what kind of an environment you're creating for yourself? How you're going to go ahead in your life? You'll start doubting the other person you're in a relationship with. Why? Because someone has feeded that information inside your brain. And don't let that happen to you. Okay, so once again, the 3 questions or the 3 ways is very simple. The first, have you seen it or heard it yourself? Second, is it the truth? Great. Last but not the least, is it going to benefit me in any way? Okay. So if the information, if the community is passing through these three things, then rest assured there won't be any misunderstanding. Whether it's a relationship, your family, your business, your work, your career, it could be anything. It will never happen because you are taking the precautions. Right? It's very simple, right? For example, when you're eating food, you take a precaution of what quality of food you're eating, what you're getting from the grocery or for the supermarket. You are seeing whether it's ISI marked or not. You're having your own filters for the consumption of food, then why not for the consumption of information? Think about it. See what I'm talking about. Listen what I'm saying and understand. And once it's very clear, once I've understood, share your views in the comment box. Okay, and if you like the video, do like it and share it to someone. It can actually help. You can tag people. Okay, and if you want to get connected with me, you can direct message me on Instagram. That is Instagram/Coach Rajendra Pardeshi. Even you can message me on Facebook on my page, that is Facebook/Coach Rajendra Pardeshi. Okay, and I'm always there to help you. Be at home, stay safe. You all are awesome. God bless you all. Take care. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.